Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
VS Hospitals Chennai today unveiled cutting-edge VELYS Robotic-Assisted Solution for knee replacement at its Kilpauk facility. Former Indian cricketer Dinesh Karthik inaugurated the new robotic-assisted knee replacement facility in the presence of Professor Dr. S. Sundar, Professor Dr. S. Subramanian, Muthu Subramanian, Prassanna Srinivasan, Ramu Mahalingam and doctors and staff of the hospital.
This VELYS Robo is a second generation Robo from DP Johnson & Johnson, who are one of the leading joint replacement manufacturers in the world. They are based in the US. The specialty of VELYS is that unlike the other Robos which are available in the market, it doesn't need a CT scan. The CT scan disadvantage it gives you additional radiation exposure to the patients, and also we will probably need to take 1 or 2 CT scans to so the exposure is more. So the advanced optical tracking system used. This is the only robo which has got that optical tracking system. So what it does is operate live, it will assess the soft tissue problems, balancing soft tissue balancing, bone load cuts, live guide. So with its advanced AI featured optical highlights and combining with the surgeon's experience and skill, it gives very high precision outcomes. Hand free as robo illama பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் 2 to 3 millimeters difference. Challenge when we are giving a knee replacement is also higher. It has to face all the challenges that God-given knee was facing before. So, the accurate positioning and correct positioning makes a hell of a lot of difference. So, the patient movements is much better. They recover faster from surgery, and pain is also lesser. So, in all ways, it's a value addition, and it is value addition both to the surgeon and to the patient. And we at VS, we have always strived at giving a high quality care at affordable cost, and this is our latest step into going towards that.
Good evening. First of all, ellarum vandadhukku romba thanks. Like cricket la eppadi technology romba use aado, there is no better field than medicine where technology ivlo periya part pannudhu. And robotics, AI is probably the most spoken about topic in the world right now. ஏதாவது ஒன்று ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக அட்வான்ஸ் ஆகி சீக்கிரம் போயினே இருக்குன்னா டெஃபினட்டாக இந்த ரெண்டு தான். அண்ட் அது இன்னைக்கு விஎஸ் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸில் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் அட் an optimal price, nothing better than that. I wish them all the very best, sir. What you're doing is amazing for the society. The knee replacement, hip replacement, these are not small things. ஏன்னா as you get older, these are challenges. எல்லாரும் precise. இப்போ கிரிக்கெட்லேயே நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்ல பிளேயருக்கும் கிரேட் பிளேயருக்கும் என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்னா ப்ரிசிஷன் தான். அந்த ஷார்ட் அடிச்சா அந்த கேப்ல போகணும், அதுதான் மேட்ரு. இந்த மாதிரி ரொபாட்டிக்ஸ் இன்க்ளூட் பண்றது இஸ் சம்திங் தட் இஸ் an inevitable event, and இன்னைக்கு நடந்திருக்குன்னா in this field, I just wish them all the very best and I hope they help everybody. Thank you so much.